We are now cleaning the water heater to make sure the all stain, the stuck stain remove. You must reverse. This is cold and this is hot. Okay. So instead, you mix supply from cold. Here the cold, here, and here the hot. So I reverse to supply here the cold. So the inside the tank will be clean. Okay, this one. Inshallah, it will be okay. And it become clear. It's all stain inside, the old stain. Done cleaning. Okay. Okay, still the brown color. Now going clear, slowly going clear. After this one, we return the final, the alignment of the pipe. Now it's getting clear. You see the water now. Because today this season is need for heater, so the heater must clean. So remove all stain, the old stuck stain all summer. Because summer we not use the heater, and the heater become stain inside because the water was stuck. Okay. Wallah. Assalamu.